Hello, welcome back to the channel. Now, I've been throwing these or playing with these clear type of handle screwdrivers for underhand half spin for about, I don't know, maybe 3 months. I have to check back, but not more than 4 months. So far I lost 3 to handle breakage. Now, before I turn them into throwing spikes or shorten them, I figured I'm going to have some fun with them. I had to put electrical tape on the lower part, so helps with my release because my hands are freezing today. But let's see what we can do. Okay, so underhand half spin, underhand half spin, underhand half spin. Out of 3, not bad. Now let's do sidearm half spin, sidearm half spin, sidearm half spin. Again, 2 out of 3. That's not too bad. Compared to that, my hands are very cold and release is really bad. But anyway, you can have hours and hours of fun with broken screwdriver shafts. Thanks for watching.